Hey everybody, good morning. Let me close the door. So it is like 6 something in the morning, Friday. What is it? December 20th. My house is awake, so we get up early around here, school, work, all of the good stuff, but I wanted to make a video in my bathroom. So if you hear some noise, I have children. If you hear my husband banging on the door, that's him. But I just wanted to put out a video, something that's kind of motivational, no edits, but rather just encouraging you, especially my beginner investors. I have a lot of new investors that are investing for the first time this year. So you came in when the markets were just doing great. Record returns, the Dow hit this, the NASDAQ hit this, the S&P 500 hit this, so you're feeling really good. And then bam, we have this going on right now. We have a pullback. We've been waiting and needing a pullback like this, I would say, for a good minute. I've been saying on my channel for a little while now, for the past couple months, that the markets, in my opinion, are a little overvalued, especially the tech sector. And we own, my husband and I, we own a lot of technology-based stocks individually, and a lot of the funds we are in, the top 10 holdings are some type of tech. Look at SCHD. So I put that in the thumbnail, right? You guys know. Do you know that SCHD is my favorite dividend ETF? Absolutely. It's my favorite dividend ETF. But guess what? SCHD is crashing. Oh, it is falling. It is down in the dumps. It's just in a slump right now. Okay. And a lot of the value-based blue chip companies are and have been for a little while. The Dow has been falling since late last week. And SCHD had its ex-dividend date too. And remember, dividends are just not money pulled out of the air. That money is taken from the value of the share price. So again, it is passive, but you want to understand that they just don't pull it out of the thin air, which is why you should have your DRIPs, your dividend reinvestment plan, turned on whatever app you are using. You have to go to your settings and kind of manually do it. But that way you can kind of get your shares reinvested until you're ready to actually use that money. I am going to do an beginner investing retirement series early next year on my channel, just to kind of do some refreshing. We're going to do some refreshing. I had a couple of beginner investors ask me, were we selling our SCHD stock because, it's falling? And I had to do one correction I had to let them know is that SCHD is not a stock. Okay, SCHD is a fund, and specifically it's an exchange traded fund, or ETF. So that's why you hear me say acronyms a lot on this channel. You hear me say ticker symbols a lot. But yeah, it's an ETF. So it is a fund. It is a basket of good companies. So if you look at the companies inside of SCHD, Home Depot, Coca-Cola, Lowe's, things like that, these are all pretty solid companies, though right now they may be in a little slump. But I like SCHD, and I like that it doesn't have a whole lot of technology, and it has a little bit, but not like SCHG or SPLG or VOO or FXAIX, which are all as well. Those are all falling too with the market. Okay. It's not just SCHD, but again, inflation. Jerome Powell, who's the chair of the Fed, is looking at all of this. So they're doing less of a rate cut next year. Okay. And yeah, the stock market may be doing well and doing great, and us investors, we are just loving it. But when you look at the economy, right? I know people. I specifically know people, friends, family, just associates and acquaintances who either are about to lose their job or have. And so it's really serious out here in these streets. The cost of groceries is still kind of on the higher side. Our property taxes are going up, and at our main home, it's going up about 26% next year. Can y'all believe that? 26%. And don't, get it confused. This is going to impact homeowners and renters. We are landlords, okay? Rent prices are affected by things like this as well. So, the economy is just kind of doing one thing, and the stock market, though forward facing, is doing another. And so the markets are reacting accordingly, right? But this is the motivation. You want to know why I love things like this? Let me show you. Look at this. Now, if you know anything about Bath and Body Works, or if you know anything about me, I love Bath and Body Works. It's holiday time. I am a godmommy to a bunch of people. I'm an auntie. I'm a mama. My husband even likes some of the men's stuff at Bath and Body Works. I just have people that I want to get, some things for at a discount. And when I was able to go to their candle day and I had my coupons, I had my free product and I think it was 20% off or something. I was in that line so excited because I was getting something that I really love and that I think would bring value. This smells good. This is in the stars. Value to people's lives at a discount. And so I started thinking about the stock market. There are billion and trillion dollar companies on sale right now. And today is payday. Today is payday. So let me do a little giveaway. I'm going to do a $50 Amazon gift card. No. I'm going to split it into two because I want two winners. I'm going to do two $25 Amazon gift cards, e-gift cards. So I'm going to email it to you. No, this giveaway will not be posted in the thumbnail because I want to make sure you're actually watching the video. It's not going to be in the title either. Okay. I want you to leave the hashtag Mommy Trader. Okay. All lowercase. And I want you to answer this question for me. Okay. And be honest because I want us to motivate, especially us seasoned investors. I have a lot of them in the comments and I appreciate you guys always coming through and encouraging and motivating the beginners out there to just stay the course, okay? So the question that I want you to answer in the comments section is, how are you feeling right now with the stock market being down, right? And believe it or not, it's not down a whole lot, maybe no more than 5%. Well, that's at the recording of this video. It could go down much further, but if you look at the past 5 days, no more, under 5% is down, which is not bad at all considering year to date is still at, record highs. But yes, leave me that question down below. And you have to be subscribed to the channel. I mean, I'm going to check. I'm going to check to see if you're subscribed. And the hashtag is there, Mommy Trader. And that you answer the question. How are you feeling? And be honest, whether you're feeling nervous, you're feeling anxious, but you're going to keep going, right? You're going to close your eyes and keep moving forward. But, red is red, right? And sometimes it takes us a couple years to get in that mentality, like, red is okay. Like, in good companies, where's NVIDIA going? Now, I told you guys, my husband and I won 100 shares. I'm just moving this over. I'm trying to see what other candle I got in here. Oh. Y'all want to see another candle real quick? Look at this. They had these all for like $10. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is a Bridgerton. Now, y'all watch that show, right? This smells really good. But these candles were like under $10 after I was finished with my coupons. And so, yes, you want good companies at a discount. You want well-ran companies and you want great and solid ETFs. SCHD is a good ETF. DGRO is a good ETF. VTI, VOO, FXIX, SPLG, SCHD, SCHB, which is like the equivalent of VTI. Those are all great ETFs. And right now we have an opportunity to buy good assets at a discount. You don't want to wait until the market's at all-time highs and then you jump in and then I'll get people on my channel and say, how do you get the shares at a decent price? Because I bought low. Red to me now is good. It took a couple years to get in that mentality, but let me tell you, I wish I had some more money. I don't have an infinite amount of money, but today is payday and you can best believe we are dumping money in the market. YouTube, I have a channel. We get YouTube paycheck. That money is going into the market. My business, I have a side hustle. Yeah, even working. I'm a mama. I'm a wife. I have a side hustle. That helps. And let me tell you, tracking, my dividend stuff all year. If you've been watching me, I've been using this book all year, making videos about our dividend report, which will be out, I think, next week or so. I was in a car accident, so just stay tuned for that video. And I'm okay, but just watch that video when it comes out. But here, tracking. And you know why I love tracking? Because it makes things motivating. Now, my planner, investing planner for 2025, this helps to motivate me because I can go back and I can say, you know what, though it's red right now, it's okay. I can go to my spreadsheets and I'm looking at it and it's like, you know what, It's red. It's okay. It's not the end of the world. If anything, this is a sale. We like Christmas sales. I just was talking to you about my candle sale at Bath and Body Works. I need to have the same mentality when it comes to generational wealth, when it comes to building and getting to financial freedom, right? I cannot save my way there. I need my money working. I need it compounding when I can't, so that I don't have to get up at 6 something in the morning. It's still dark outside and I got to go out there in the cold, right? I can stop one day because our assets are working, because we were buying when everybody else was just running away from the market. So no, to answer your question, to people who ask me, no, I'm not selling all of our SCHD stock. If anything, I want to buy more. I'm looking at Broadcom too. They have fantastic earnings. Not financial advice, but we're just talking. They have fantastic earnings. Fantastic earnings. I want to get some of that. I want to get a little bit of Costco. It was at over 1,000 shares, and now I can get it at a decent price. That is what Warren Buffett said. You want to get good companies at a decent price. No one wants to overpay for anything. These candles, by the way, if you look under them, they're $26.95. See if I can move that up there. $26.95. I got this thing for under $10. Now, I'm trying to use something tangible that you can recognize to make my point. And I'm hoping that you guys are saying, no, I'm not afraid. You don't have to be afraid either. That's why I'm always tracking. That's why I have my spreadsheets. And thank you guys for selling out. I think we have 4 rounds of inventories that you guys all sold out. So thank you so much, because it motivates me. You can have something visual to look at. You can pick up your planner. You can open up your spreadsheet, and you can just see over time, not weeks, not months, not a year. This is years with an S. This works when you invest in good ETFs and into good quality stock. So everything is down, not just one thing, even crypto. My husband likes Bitcoin a lot. Guess what? He gets paid today. Guess what? More money going over there to Coinbase so he can get more of his crypto. I'm a stock and real estate girly, but he likes crypto. And so, it's just, we own Tesla. Tesla to me has been overvalued for a minute, though we own it. But at this price, it's coming back down, which is what you want. You want a realistic type of growth with your securities, not just up, and it never pulls back. And this is why you always have like your sinking funds or your emergency funds. Don't ever like put your emergency fund in the market, because the market right now is falling. You always have something on the side because life happens and you don't want to have to just pull from them. I don't want to do that. I can't tell you what to do. Just continue to just be motivated and unplug. Christmas is next week. And really quickly, to those of you who don't have family, who struggle around this time of year, because I understand that is just life for some people, I want you to know, and I want you to come up closer to the camera. I want you to know that I'm thinking about you. You have a family over here, at least on my channel and in my community, in my comment section. I do not do hateful, mean, judgmental comments. I will bless and block in a minute. I'm 40. I'm too old for it, and I don't allow it in my space. So if you are struggling, if this market is making you have certain thoughts, if this market is just putting a really bad damper on your moods, it's okay to step back. You can also send me an email and just, Shalise, I'm just going through it right now. Now, I'm not a therapist, but I am a person, and I understand because I've gone through that. And so, it's okay. I'm thinking about you this Christmas season. You're not by yourself, though you may be physically, but emotionally, like, we're connected because we're all on this same journey together. And like I came live on Thanksgiving just to let you guys know, I care about you, and just the support you've given me. That's the message here for Christmas. I care about you. Keep your head up. Unplug and binge watch something. I plan on binge watching, I think, The Penguin with my husband over this break. So I only have one video coming out next week. It's already pre-filmed and already scheduled. I have a couple of posts already scheduled, pre-scheduled for my community posts. I'm going to unplug and I'm going to binge watch something. I'm going to binge watch something good. And so we've been hearing about Penguin, and that's what my husband and I are going to do. If you want to be a part of the 5th batch, this will be shipping out in January, because it's going to be a longer processing time because Christmas, New Year's, and MLK Day. So details are down below. But thank you to all of you for selling out the first 4 batches. I mean, you guys have been keeping us busy, but it's a good thing, and I'm glad that it's resonating with you. You see the accounts, you see my consistency, and you're like, Shalise, I'm getting on this train with you in 2025. So if you want to be a part of that giveaway, it'll be 2 winners. Each winner will get a $25 Amazon e-gift card. I will post the winners probably next Friday. Let me give it a week. That way I can still unplug and I'll come back. I'll do like the randomizer. So you got to make sure you leave that hashtag Mommy Trader and just tell me how you're feeling. Okay. Are you feeling motivated? You feeling pumped? You about to dump a whole lot of money in the market? Are you feeling anxious, nervous? Are you feeling scared? Is it making you not want to invest? Just be real, okay? So I'm going to get out of here because it's already almost 16 minutes. Y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend. Try to watch the Charlie Brown Christmas special if you can. And I'll see you in the next one, okay? Bye-bye.